Today I've got a blaster box of 2015 Panini Contenders Football. It took me forever to even figure out where on here it said what you get. You get 8 cards per pack and 5 packs per box. So I mean it's really only 40 cards. Seems kind of expensive to me. I couldn't remember. I've only bought a few of the rack packs. I couldn't remember exactly how many cards were in a rack pack. It seems expensive. You do get exclusive 1 rookie ticket swatch memorabilia card, but I really don't think that card's going to make up the difference for what you get in this compared to a rack pack. But I thought I'd check it out. Pick this one up for $20 at Walmart. I'm not sure this is a set that I want to try to build. The cards are pretty plain, so thought I would check out at least one though. There's so it's per inbox per average, so you're not guaranteed. It's not a separate hit. If you look here, this last pack is extra thick, so I'm sure it's in there. But I do like it more when they're in the pack, because you know it's not necessarily one they specially set aside just to put in here. Let's see. We got a pennant right off the bat. The corner's dinged pretty good. Derek Carr. Zoom in here a little bit for you guys. All right, Devonta Freeman. Julius Thomas. J.J. Watt. Doug Baldwin. Russell Westbrook. Charles Woodson. Deshaun Jackson. I think these are just the same as the standard packs, so there's always a chance you could get 2 hits, I guess. Since they should be kind of randomly packed. Let me put these ones back in the pack before I forget. Is this for are these no good now? When were these for this last year's? Yeah. Sweepstakes ends 1/12/16. So these codes are no good anymore. Malcolm Floyd. Peyton Manning. Vincent Jackson. Matt Ryan. Joseph Randall. LeGarrette Blount. Tyrod Taylor. And we got a numbered parallel. Jordy Nelson playoff ticket, 69/199. I did get one parallel. It's actually really cool. Like, it looks black. And like if you turn it, it looks silver. So I don't know if this is a silver. Let's see. Just says playoff ticket, championship ticket, cracked ice ticket, Super Bowl ticket. So this is a playoff ticket. I don't see that it says a specific color. That's pretty cool. 69/199. We're already at the half point of this break. I really think $20 you should get a couple more packs. Andre Johnson, Tavon Austin, Larry Fitzgerald, Jeremy Macklin, Randall Cobb, Calvin Johnson, Jay Cutler. I got this nice Todd Gurley Rookie of the Year Contenders die cut. That's a nice one. Got my first ever points card. What? DeMarco Murray. Oh, I think you have to make sure. Yeah, there's a code on that. So, 150 points. So, do they replace hits with points? I should have got a hit, but I got points. DeMarco Murray. Marquise Colston. Jarvis Landry. It's kind of weird. Looks like his legs are painted green. I'm sure he's wearing some sort of leggings, but it just looks funny. Adrian Peterson, Ben Roethlisberger, DeAndre Hopkins, and Carlos Hyde. One thing too, you're supposed to get 8 cards per pack. 1, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so the hit pack, I guess it's a trade-off because the hit pack, I wonder if it will have 8 as well. Any guesses who's going to be in here? It's going to be like, I'm just saying right now, Falcons. Yep. I seem to have gotten tons of Falcons cards this year. Let's see, where is it? It's toward the back, so you do get less than 8 cards. Oh, I don't think it's Falcons. Justin Forsett, Jonathan Stewart, Kendall Wright. Pretty sure it's a quarterback. Could be Seahawks. Trying to think of. Do they have a rookie quarterback? Latavius Murray, Kirk Cousins, Drew Brees, Rob Gronkowski. I'm not sure which side's the front on this thing. Nope, it's the Titans. Whoa! Marcus Mariota jersey? What? That's pretty sweet right there. Why did they put green? Oh, it's the field. See, it didn't look totally right, but you know, from there I was like, okay, green and blue. You know, what other teams are green and blue? Nice. That's a keeper right there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next break.